Andrew, the Long Island chapter of the New York Public Interest Group has uncovered some important information listed in the fine print of online retailers' privacy policies, information that could save you from getting a big holiday headache this season. "'Tis the season to hand over a lot of personal information," says Nyberg, which has updated its consumer website, cyberstreetsmart.org, with new guidelines to help protect Long Island shoppers from identity theft by choosing retailers with better online privacy agreements. The consumer checklist is based on a review of 500 policies from some of the busiest online retailers and helps users differentiate the good from the bad.
So when the Long Island shopper goes out and buys online to save themselves some time and beat the crowd, beat the traffic, that shopper is making sure that their information is safe and that their ID is safe.
For example, steel door policies are considered secure because they are easy to find, straightforward, and provide contact information. Screen door policies, on the other hand, tend to be vague, collect excess information, and share your personal data with third parties. In other words, your identification is up for grabs.
Identity theft is really common. It's very easy, especially if you give them your phone number, your home address, your name, your full name, and then on top of that, you're giving them your credit card information.
The good news is most retail websites fall in the steel door category, but Nyberg says that doesn't mean internet users should let their guard down. According to the Federal Trade Commission, nearly 37,000 New Yorkers fell victim to online scams last year. It's one of the reasons why Long Islanders tell me they'll be extra vigilant this holiday season.
You walk into a store, you see a person online, you don't know where they're located. It's very hard to tell, so it is a bit troubling.
I was charged twice for the item that I was buying online.
That's another pitfall people have to face, so you're extra cautious this holiday.
Yes, I am.
Now, Nyberg's website also includes sections dedicated to helping Long Island shoppers and auction site users steer clear from con artists and gimmicks that can oftentimes lead to online theft. Reporting from Manhattan tonight, I'm Tom Schwab. Andrew, back over to you.